Welcome to the Visual Vault AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to choose and edit done for you templates in Visual Vault AI. Go to the left menu and click on DFY templates. Now choose your desired template. You can view and edit your chosen template. Add project and title. By using our exclusive image editor. Here you can edit your template. You can add text to your image in different sizes and fonts by using our text editor. You can add different shapes to your image. You can add images to your image. You can upload an image locally, from search, library, or generate it from AI. You can also add background to your images. Once you are done editing, you can download or share your template. Thanks for watching the video.